Take your pet to work day. We got snake on snake. All right, take your pet to work day. Crush is with his Lamborghini, Sesto Elemento. Then he's with his Lamborghini, Veneno. And then he's just resting on his Corvette.
This is yours?
Yes.
Wait.
You want me to put it in your hand?
God.
Or you want to grab it?
Okay, I know. I just want to touch it. Okay. First thing. Oh wait, wow. This is like. Oh wait.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I have to take a picture.
Yeah, take a picture.
Wait. Oh wow, this is so cool.
It's your first time holding a snake?
No, this is not the first time I saw one, but this is the first time I touched one.
Mm.
What? Wow.
Wow.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh.
So Crush likes trucks. And Spider-Man, he likes superheroes sometimes. He likes big trucks. Crush likes big mech trucks. And then, but I think he really likes Jeep Gladiators. I think Crush really likes Jeep Gladiators. But of course, we gotta represent Project Extinction in the graffiti jungle.